Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use the Instagram story countdown stickers. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Instagram account and then go to your home page. Click on your story option at the top left corner of your screen and then click on camera. Here you just simply click a picture or upload a picture. It's up to you. I'm just taking a picture. And after taking a picture, you just simply swipe up, and here you just simply scroll down and you see the countdown option. So simply click on that, and here you just simply countdown name, and here you just simply set choose an end date. It's my and I will select 31 and then click on done. That's it. Now you will be able to use the Instagram story countdown stickers. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.